this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube video not uploading. So there are 9 to 10 reasons why you're going to be facing this problem. The first is going to be your internet connection. Make sure that you have a minimum upload speed of 5 Mbps or higher. If not, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your router. The other thing you want to do is simply go to DownDetector.com and check if the servers for YouTube is down. If it is, then you'll have to upload in some other day. You want to simply go ahead and check if you match the upload requirements, like your file format being MP4, MOV, AVI, your max file size is 256, max duration is going to be 12 hours, H.264, frame rate of 2430 or 60 FPS, and 1280 by 720 or higher. You need to simply go ahead and clear your browsing data on your Google or any browser that you're using and disable any browser extensions if you have it. Also go ahead and check your storage space, and then you want to simply go ahead and try uploading it from your YouTube Studio and not your mobile app. The other thing you want to do is change your browser and it should go ahead and work, or if none of it works, simply go ahead and see what is the cause.